heading up the hill, the Hell's Revenge. Got Sean over here. We're going in after a Jeep Cherokee. It's on the traditional exit, kind of where we went and got the TJ/YJ.
Yellow Jeep.
No, the yellow Jeep.
The yellow Jeep.
Yeah, yellow.
Yellow.
Yeah. Anyway, here we go, heading in to get this. We're gonna see if we can fix it or if we've got to carry it out. Depending on where it's at, I'm hoping we don't have to carry it. Here we are. Click on it and it's like, oh yeah, we're giving away vehicles and you've been selected, all you got to do is send a deposit down, and I can't believe people click on it, but
wow. As we drive up here, we were kind of glad that we found somebody to do this.
Pull the bolts out.
Yeah, that's
Right out of the unibar.
I don't think with the dolly we could have.
I'm wanting to pick it up and we can get it down to where it's way more level. We might be able to twist that bar back into place, put some bolts in, and at least get it to somewhat roll out of here. We'll make sure we don't destroy it.
No, I just noticed that. I'm like,
This has gotten worse over the years. We come down here a lot, 10 years ago. It just seems like it's been
amazing what these screws can go through.
You guys got a key for it, or?
Key.
All right, Sean. In neutral. And then two wheel.
Yep.
Okay. The bolts are, well, one's broke off and one's just missing. So
Then we can grind it and weld it? The one that's...
no, the cross member has to come out.
Oh, yeah, I know what you mean now. Sorry.
So, but I think we could get a, if we can get a bolt in there at least, that'll help a lot.
That's what I remember.
Bolt came out here, goes through this. Another bolt.
You're gonna get up there.
That one broke off.
But still.
Nope, bigger.
What's that?
here, you can line it over here. That's a novel idea.
Oh, I see what you're doing. Is that your jack stand?
That is my jack stand. It's very. Well, do you have a problem with us welding it?
Nope.
It'd have to get ground off, but it's got to get fixed anyway.
Yeah, go for it.
So we can just weld it on there and then it'll be all in one piece. So the first thing you do is turn it on, then that brings it up, then run your idle up. Set it right about in the middle of the weld. Idle her up a little, Sean.
Don't want to.
No. Can you turn that way?
Driver?
Let me put some. Let me try to back up, take a little off. See if I can turn it.
No, the drag link's bent.
Stop.
That's what we're fighting, is the drag link's bent.
Well, there's no brakes.
Alright. E-brake work?
That's a good idea.
Is the back up?
Got it.
Okay. That way? Right there, right there. Come straight.
All right, slow down, baby, slow down.
Stop. And worst case scenario, it's paid for. Hit it.
It's paid for.
Oh, that's all e-brake. That's all e-brake.
So anyway, here we are moseying out of Hell's Revenge, and we got it back together enough that they could drive it. It needs a lot of front suspension work. It had a rough time. Had all twisted in there. The drag link's bent, so the steering's not really working great. But it's gonna get it down here to where they can put it on a trailer and get it home. But we're just about out of the rough stuff and down to just a dirt road. And then to the exit parking lot of Hell's Revenge. So, yeah, here we are. So I don't think we're gonna fix it. They said they're gonna take it home and they're gonna do a bunch of upgrades to it. So, which is all good. And there goes another one. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, or subscribe. And subscribe. So, hang on. Justin, cut all that.
Cut it out, Justin.
Chop, chop!